I've been asked a lot of questions about what all type of cooking equipment we have in our shop. We have enough to make just about any configuration you can think of. We've got standard canopy hoods. We have a 17-foot section. We have island hoods. We have our fans where we go over all of the maintenance on the fans, whether it's makeup air or exhaust, the Ansel systems that attach to them, low profile hoods. All these hoods we have at our shop, along with the equipment that goes underneath them. We have a wok and a wok hood. You'll find those in your Chinese restaurants. Across the way is our charging station. This is where we perform annual, 6-year, and 12-year maintenance on portable and fixed systems. Our hopper, our low-pressure hydrostatic testing machine, and our nitrogen for recharge. Over here on our other wall is just part of the automatic fire systems we have in place. We have Buckeye, Amerex, Range Guard, Pyrochem Protex, first generation Ansel, second generation Ansel, and along the way on the back wall hooked up to the other hood is third generation Ansel system. Along with all this equipment, most of it is on casters. So what we can do is we can reconfigure this equipment. We can roll it around. So when you leave the school, there won't be a equipment configuration that you're not used to. We've got our steam cookers over here and our ovens. And then here's our line of our fans and duct with cleanouts underneath the island hood. Island hoods you'll find in a lot of school systems and lockdown facilities. These are designed for the equipment to sit on both sides of the hood. That way they can cook all the way around. We go over makeup air maintenance. We go over exhaust fan maintenance. And whether your exhaust fan you're working on is belt driven or direct drive, we teach you the maintenance required on these. Here's an example of a duct with a clean out. This clean out was put in by the metal manufacturer. It is not a UL listed exhaust panel, but it is constructed out of the same gauge of metal. In that event, it doesn't have to be listed. If the clean out is made in the same thickness as the duct, the listing is not required. Another thing that most people forget, and most restaurants don't fool with it, but when you get into hospitals, nursing homes, lockdown facilities, this is a damper that is on top of the hood, brings the fresh air down into the fan. And here you've got a fuse link, and this is an actual fuse link. It melts at a temperature anywhere from 165 to about 212 degrees. They're very simple to change. You put a C-clamp here, you flip this over here, you replace the link. It is dated as well. These links are required to be changed about every year. A lot of people don't know that, and that's just one more thing you'll learn here. If you have any more questions about our shop, our school, if you'd like to see more pictures, if you'd like any demonstrations with what we have, feel free to call us. My name's Chris. It's Kitchen One Solutions, Fire System and Hood Cleaning School in Morristown, Tennessee. Thank you and have a nice day.